everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing my February 2019 Allure Beauty Box. And Allure is one of my favorite boxes. Actually, I pretty much have gotten rid of most of the boxes that I don't like. I'm looking for new boxes. So if you have any ideas of new boxes that you think I should go check out, let me know in the comment section down below. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and open the Allure box. This used to be a red box, and now it looks like this with this inside. It does have the little booklet and then the little bag. They switched over from a box to a bag. But anyway, the Allure Beauty Box is, I believe, $15 per month. And it comes from Allure with a whole bunch of wonderful products inside. So this has all the products in it. I'm going to go ahead and pull the little bag out. It's super cute, actually. It's like a plastic material. That's probably my biggest complaint with it. But it's got two little buttons that close, and then all the products inside. Now, I would say that this would be okay if you're like taking stuff on like a travel with you, but I don't know. If it was something other than plastic, this would be a super cute like handbag. Yeah, I think it would be. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and pull the items out, and then I will read to you from the book on what they are. Okay, so this one here is from the Brow Gal. This is the Instant Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers, and it is in the shade Brown Hair 02. That's interesting. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out of the plastic and see what the inside looks like. Whoops. Oh, which way does this go? Oh, okay. That's interesting. It's just a little wand. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on. So I did fill my brows in just a little bit with a pencil, but let's go ahead and put this in. All right, so that's not too dark for me. I was afraid it might be a little bit too dark, but I think it looks okay, actually. Let's go ahead and read from the book. Actually, let me show you the product. This is what it looks like. Okay. And I'm going to find it in the book here. All right, so this is the Brow Gal, the Instant Tinted Brow Gel. When I'm looking for a touch more polish than swiping on mascara and lip balm, a brow gel is just the speedy ticket. And because this formula from brow groomer extraordinaire Tanya Crooks is subtle, I know I'll never end up with unblended, angry apostrophe brows no matter how rushed I am. It's also effective enough that I don't have to go back with a pencil later. The formula's teeny microfibers are lightweight, so this doesn't have that crunch some other brow gels leave behind. It's perfect for my minimalist makeup kit, though I use it on the go so often I'm bound to leave it in a taxi one day. So that is from Cotton Codina, Senior Beauty Features Editor. The price is $22 at thebrowgal.com, and you can enter the code Allure19 at checkout to receive 10% off your order from February 1st to April 1st of 2019. So there you go. That's actually not too bad. It's not too bad. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pull the next item out. What is this? Okay, so this is from Wonder Beauty. It's the Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Here's what it looks like. All right, and I'm not going to open this and show you the wand just because I have way too many mascaras open right now, and I don't want to like waste it, if that makes sense. So, all right. This is the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Mascara. I have a mascara in every purse, multiples at my desk, and more than 4 on my vanity at any given time. I like my lashes long and thick enough to cast shadows. And as someone who goes to town with mascara, I can tell you this brand new ultra black option from Wonder Beauty layers and layers without clumps and gives lashes lots of drama. Lift? Check. Volume? Definitely. Length? Almost to my brow bone. The brush is the perfect size to really get the roots of your lashes and coat every hair. It comes in a squeezable tube so you can get every last bit of product out, just don't pinch the tube with the brush inside. It didn't smudge or flake after a full workday and gym session. When I was having some contact lens issues, it even withstood a few artificial tears. That's Kathleen Suko, a beauty assistant. The price is $26. You can buy it at wonderbeauty.com. Then enter code ALLUREWB at checkout to receive 20% off your order from February 1st through April 1st of 2019. So I will show you the picture. This does have the picture of the wand in it, so you guys can see what the wand looks like if you are interested. I do have one of the original Wander Beauty mascaras in like the red tube. I haven't opened that yet either because, like I said, I have way too many mascaras open right now. Okay, this is the next product. So this is from Mamonde. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. It's the Petal Spa Oil to Foam. That's what it looks like. Okay. Okay, so this says the Mamonde Petal Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser. My face never feels cleaner without any tightness than after I double cleanse, a popular K-beauty technique that involves using 2 face washes. Mamonde's, I might be pronouncing that wrong, I'm sorry if I am, formula condenses the process into one step. It starts as an oil, then with water transforms into a foam. It dissolves my foundation, mascara, and eyeliner quickly. I swear it looks like I hadn't worn makeup to begin with. And mind you, I wear a lot of makeup. The formula is spiked with damask rose oil, which gives the cleanser a delicate and elegant floral scent. That's from Devin Abelman, Beauty Reporter. The price is $21. You can buy it at us.mamonde.com, which is MAMONDE.com. Enter Allure30 at checkout to receive 30% off your order of Petal Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser from February 1st through April 1st of 2019. I'm going to go ahead and open it and smell it. Let's see what it smells like. It definitely smells like roses. I didn't really expect anything else, but still, that's it smells like roses. All right, let's go ahead and pull this out. This is a face mask. Okay, so this is from the same brand, Mamonde as well. This is the Flower Lab Essence Mask in rose. All right, that is what it looks like. Okay. All right, so this says the Mamonde Flower Lab Essence Mask. Using one of these K-Beauty sheet masks makes my skin feel like I've just poured an entire bottle of serum on my face. They're super hydrating. Mamonde's sheet masks come in 7 varieties. You'll get one in your box, and I got the rose one. And each is infused with nourishing botanical extracts and moisturizing hyaluronic acid and glycerin, which are essential now that temps are dropping fast. The sheet mask itself is made from eucalyptus pulp, which adheres well to skin. My favorite way to use one of these masks is after stepping into my apartment on a cold night once I'm warm and cozy inside. I smooth it on for much needed moisture. The scents are delicate and prettier than the average sheet mask. The rose mask, for example, smells like my favorite rose perfume. That's from Sarah Kanonen, Digital Skin Editor. Price is $7, and you can buy it at us.mamonde.com. All right. Next item. Let's pull this out right here. All right, so this is from Laritzi. It is a lip pencil in the shade Bear. All right, that is super pretty. Unfortunately, it's very hard on my skin. I don't know that I'd like that on my lips. All right, that's what it looks like. All right, and there is the shade. Okay. Like I said, it's just a little bit hard. I'm not real sure about that. Okay, so they had a possibility of getting 3 different products. This was one of them. This is Laritzi Cosmetics Lip Pencil in Bear. There's lip liner so obvious you can spot it from across the street. And then there's this tawny rose pencil. The formula isn't too waxy, so it becomes one with your lips instead of sitting on top of them. I use it to make my Cupid's bow crisper and my lips a touch fuller. I'm not talking overdrawn, but if you tilt your head back so you can line the very bottom of your lower lip, they'll look bigger. You can also layer it under gloss for a shiny lip look that actually lasts. So this is from Elizabeth Siegel. The price is $18 and you can get it at laritzi.com. So there were 2 other options that were possibilities you could get. One was the Douce, I think that's right, Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen, which it's a liquid liner. The last one was the Mally High Shine Liquid Lipstick. And you could have gotten one of those 3 products, and I got the lip pencil. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and pull the next item out. It is this right here. I love getting brushes, and this is a Moda Pro brush, which I definitely enjoy Moda brushes. I've purchased some. They're for sale at Walmart. You can also get them on their website. I just really enjoy their brushes a lot. They're very, very soft. It's a very weird shape, though. Can you guys see that shape? I'm not sure if it'll focus enough that you can see the odd shape. It's like flat. Can you see that? It's like angled and flat. I don't think I've ever seen a brush like this. What does this say? Okay, so this says it's the Moda Metallics Triad Eye Brush. This soft, precise shading brush is the holy grail of eyeshadow brushes. It does so many different things really well. It makes any shadow look its most vibrant, so one colleague uses it with pastels and brights. It's also perfect for contouring. Use it to sweep brown eyeshadow across your crease or over the outer third of your lid to give an eye makeup look added depth. But my favorite way to use it is for brushing my everyday taupe over my lids. It makes the brown shade richer and creates a sexily smoked out effect. And this is from Jessica Chia, Executive Beauty Editor. The price is $4.99. You can buy it at modabrush.com. Enter Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off your order from February 1st through March 31st. It is soft. I really do like Moda brushes. All right, and then the last item in here is from Model Co. It's the Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. See if I can get it out. Okay, so that's really pretty. That is what it looks like. Okay. So it says it's Mykonos or Mykonos. I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these. That's what they look like on the back of the fingers. Okay. The red one is a little bit patchy, but that is what it looks like. Okay. I want to get it on my fingers before I get that everywhere. So, this says it's the Model Co. Metallic Eyeshadow Trio in Mykonos. Each of the powder eyeshadows in this trio, burgundy, pinky champagne, and brown, creates a sheer wash of glittering color which makes them perfect everyday shimmers. The brown just so happens to be a great nude for my eyelids, and the burgundy is easy to wear because it's not too pigmented. The colors are pretty on their own, but I also use the champagne as a highlight to give burgundy or brown lids an extra splash of dimension. Tap it on the center of lids and at the inner corners. For intense color payoff, spray your brush with a little water first. I always use these with a wet brush. Try the Moda brush in your box. Because as a darker skinned individual, I need the extra pigmentation in my shadows. And it's from Jihan. I'm pronouncing that probably wrong. It's Jihan, Forbes Digital Hair Editor. The price for this is $15. You can get it at modelco.com. And you enter Allure18 at checkout to receive 30% off your order. Offer can only be redeemed on full price products, not valid on the mascaras, it looks like, Luminosity and Tan Water. Model Co reserves the right to cease any promotion at any time without notice. And it's only good until February 28th, so that is 8 days from now. So, there's that. Anyway, so that is my entire Allure box. Let's go back over it. This is pretty good. So we've got the Model Co. eyeshadow palette, the little 3 shades, the brush from Moda Pro, the lip liner in Bare from Larizzi. Now, I will tell you that I wiped that off with a dry tissue, and it came right off. So that might not be the best, you know. The face mask from Mamonde, the gel to foam cleanser from Mamonde, the mascara from Wander Beauty, and the brow tint from the Brow Gal. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. This box is $15. Now, granted, they're not like full size. I'm pretty sure the mascara is full size. I would be willing to guess that the Brow Gal is full size. The mask is full size. The lip pencil is full size. The brush, of course, is full size. Now, I would guess that this is probably not full size. The Mamonde Petal Spa Oil to Foam is probably not full size. And then, of course, this eyeshadow palette's just a mini little, 3-piece eyeshadow palette. So, but still, 5 of the 7 products are full-size products. I think that's pretty good. I really have come to really enjoy the Allure box. There were some times, if you go back into some of my older videos, that some of the boxes did disappoint me, but they've been getting better and better and better as far as I'm concerned, and they're only $15. So I would absolutely recommend checking it out if you're curious about it or interested in it in any way, shape, or form. I think that for like $5 extra, this is leaps and bounds beyond where Sephora Play is. I mean, it just is. Of all of my boxes that I'm getting this month, Sephora Play is probably my least favorite. It wasn't a bad box, but it was probably my least favorite. So anyway, that is my Allure unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me as I pull my hair, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button. And I do have a giveaway going on right now. It closes tonight. When if you're watching this the day it goes live, it closes on Thursday, February 21st at midnight before Friday the 22nd. So go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and then go enter that giveaway video it posted last Thursday. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. What do you guys think of the Allure Beauty Box? I really like it. I really like it. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.